In a galaxy far, far away, there's a special bear who heals patients from all corners of the universe. Meet Dr. QBear.
Hi, I am Dr. QBear, and today we are going to look at the types of neck pain. Another day, another galaxy to help.
Dr. QBear, my neck has been killing me.
Let's have a look. I'll start with a physical exam to check your range of motion and see if there are any signs of injury. It seems you've strained your neck muscles. Have you been staring at holograms with a bad posture for long periods?
Yes, for hours every day.
Just as I thought. That is what we call tech neck. Do some gentle exercises and take breaks from your screens.
Doctor, my necks are sore.
We'll start off by taking an X-ray of your neck. Think of an X-ray like a special type of camera that can take pictures of your bones. It seems you have strained your necks from wearing that heavy spacesuit. I recommend wearing it less and doing some neck stretches.
Thank you, Dr. QBear. You're a miracle worker.
Dr. QBear, my neck feels stiff.
Let's see what's going on. Please hover over here. All right. We'll do an MRI to get a detailed look at your neck muscles and nerves. Think of an MRI as a really special camera that can take pictures inside your body. The MRI shows some inflammation around the nerves. I'll prescribe medication for pain and inflammation and recommend physical therapy to help strengthen your neck muscles.
And so, with a gentle touch and a kind heart, Dr. QBear brings comfort to all who visit. No neck pain is too big or too small for this galactic healer.
Until next time, keep those necks healthy, and if you need anything, I'm always here to lend a helping paw.